So Sheikh, I want to ask that explain which acts are kufr and which are not, those we assume due to OCD. Jazakallahu khaira.
Wajazakum. This is very generic, Ibrahim, because the default is, as long as you're a Muslim, born Muslim, practicing, praying, fearing Allah Azza wa Jal, as long as you have no intentions of resenting Islam or ridiculing it or making fun of it, and you have great reverence to Allah Azza wa Jal, and you praise Him and you glorify Him and you love the Quran and you love Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, and you enjoy practicing Islam, the default is that you're a Muslim. In order for us to take you out of the fold of Islam, we have to have proof. Just the feeling is not enough. And I always tell my folks that come to me in counseling sessions who have such OCD, look for the dead body. What is this? If you go to a judge in his court and you say, "Oh, Your Honor, I killed a man," immediately 5 policemen will surround you. So the judge sits straight in his seat and says, "Who did you kill and where?" And you say, "I don't know and I don't remember, but I killed a man." The judge says, after raising his eyebrows, "Where is the dead body?" You say, "There is no dead body." So where's the smoking gun? There's no gun. There's no murder weapon, but I killed the man. So the judge would hold you for contempt and probably will kick you out of his court because you're a wacko, a lunatic. Likewise, when you get these thoughts of kufr, you are a Muslim until proven otherwise. "But Sheikh, I smiled when the adhan was being called." So what? Did you have the intention to make fun of the adhan? No. There's no problem. "Sheikh, I had a thought in my head, if I put on my shoes, I'm a mushrik." So when I put on my shoes, where is kufr and shirk? "I don't know, I had this short thought, Sheikh, so I repeat the shahada 20 times. You're crazy. This is shaitan messing up with your head. So, but again, this is too generic. We have to speak to the individual and have more dialogue so that we can fix his thought process so that he could think a correct issue.